Hey everyone, check it out. I got this super cute kit of beads and keychains. So it's a keychain making kit. Want to thank the brand that sent it to me. Let's dive right in. As you can see, we have a huge variety of beads. Sports fans, cute. I love all these different colors. Oh, there's like letters too. Oh, you can spell love. Look, can you see that? Love. That's adorable. Okay. And then, of course, up here, you've got the actual keychains, the letters, different colors and sizes of beads. And then you can also have cord to make keychains with. Here's the actual little hooks for the keychain. So you can use this to tie this to this or vice versa. And then, of course, all of these different keychains come in tons of different colors. Perfect diameter for sliding all of these beads on. So I think this is going to make a great gift for the holidays or any time of year, birthdays, any folks that you know that like doing cute crafty things. Absolutely would love to gift this to them. I would definitely recommend it. And thanks again to the brand for sending me this to check out. Thank you.